I'm just the guy that you've been looking for. Ha! What's up, guys? It's your boy, Loza Smooth, Loza Gang, and we're live and we're back again with another reaction video, man. And today's video is Mac. Is it Mac? Mac Zalq Jingle Day. Yeah. I'll leave the link down below, guys. Make sure you guys go check it out when I'm done, man. And I'll leave the link to the channel as well. Please subscribe and support. Apparently it's a nice jam, like a nice cruising jam. Let's find out. Okay. Sounds good, man. Hey. Okay. I was never ready. Okay. I love the paint. It's a nice jam, man. It's like house music. I love the paint. I'll leave the link down below, guys. Make sure you guys go check it out, man. Nice song, man. Nice jam. Nice jam, man. Damn. With that being said, guys, Bloody Smooth is out, man. I like the song. It's nice, like a club jam, you know, chilled vibes. Oh, man, I'll leave the channel link down below as well, man. Make sure you guys go check it out, man. With that being said, Bloody Smooth, thanks you guys for watching. And together we are a family and we live. Catch on the flip side. Count.
100, boy, I promise I'ma get what's mine.